They picked a good weekend to do a polar plunge. At least we're warming up to where it's going to feel nicer when you head out of the pool. But man, we're just coming out of that cold stretch.
Yeah, it's nice to see a change here in Central
Yeah.
Florida, right? I feel like earlier last week we were talking about the cold weather advisories, the freeze warnings. Temperatures are moving in the opposite direction this weekend, right? We'll be pushing into the mid 70s on Saturday along the coast, then the upper 70s before showers and storms move in. So temps are moving up, but the showers will be coming down on Sunday, just as the Daytona 500 will be coming to its close. Then on Monday, still a couple showers to start off the morning, but ultimately you'll be trending a little bit cooler to start off your work week, dipping down into the lower 70s by Tuesday, but rising again as we head into Wednesday and Thursday. Let's get you out to the beach right now. 66 degrees, not necessarily beach weather, but we have that beautiful beach sunshine. Perfectly clear skies are back in New Smyrna Beach, and you're a little bit warmer as you move north across Volusia County. 69 in Daytona Beach, 71 in Sanford. Looks like you've joined the 70s in Orlando, showing 71-degree temperatures here just before the noontime hour. But everywhere you look in Central Florida, we've got beautifully sunny skies in the picture today, and that's what we'll hold on to start off your weekend as well. Notice we'll stay clear tonight as temperatures dip down into the middle of the 50s by midnight here in New Smyrna, but your rain chances are elevating as we move throughout the weekend. A 40% coverage of showers on Sunday, and we'll hold on to a 50% coverage of showers to start off your Monday morning. We do have a small chance for some fog tonight with high pressure in the forecast and clear skies. You mix that in with a little bit of surface moisture, and we could see that visibility from I-4 pushing west begin to drop. So watch out for any possible dense fog advisories tonight. But the bigger story for the weekend will be your rising temperatures. Back in the upper 70s in Orlando tomorrow, 78 degrees. Leesburg 77, Daytona Beach and Melbourne both hitting 75 tomorrow afternoon. And as we move across the weekend, we're only getting warmer. Sunday shows highs in the lower 80s, and that could potentially present some problems. Typically, as temperatures rise with the cold front moving in, it's a recipe for some stronger storms. But I do believe the cold front will get to us on Sunday night. So that's after sunset. Therefore, the temperatures will be cooling by the time this cold front does begin to slide into Central Florida. So it's a warm afternoon on Sunday, but the timing of the cold front going to be essential. With that in mind, one of the stronger impacts that we will see on Sunday in regards to your severe weather threat will be stronger, gustier winds before the front gets to you in any rain. Notice that wind speeds are pushing towards 40 miles per hour in Marion County. It's that south and westerly breeze, 37-mile-per-hour conditions across I-75 in Wildwood by 6:30. And that's right around the same time the Daytona 500 comes to its end. So we'll be watching the showers push across the forecast with that chance for some strong winds. As far as rainfall accumulation is concerned, we can see some pockets of rain between 1 and 2 inches. So not a huge rain threat, but we haven't had much rain so far this year. Many of us in a 2 to 3 inch drought. So Sunday, we're timing out impact weather. A few extra showers on Monday, then expect cooler temperatures to start off your work week, dipping down to the low 70s by Wednesday.